So we figured out how to move things around and play with things and create a flag and create a little widget that pops up, but we really haven't made a game yet. And to make a game, right, the basic definition of a game is that it has some kind of rules or guidelines with a goal, right? Some obstacles that you have to overcome to achieve that goal. And hopefully maybe a little bit of fun. And so in that end, right, what I've showed you so far will get you through your homework assignment for Project 1. But if you really wanted to make it a game, you need to have something that would make it, a little more challenging to get to the flag other than just running down the ramp and touching it, because that's not really fun. So you could do lots of things like, right, I showed in a previous video where you could duplicate items. So, right, I'm going to duplicate this ramp and then I'll turn it around so that I can use it, possibly. There we go. And so some of this is going to be, I want you to play around with so that you could kind of get experience at working with some of these things, right? So I'm going to take my flag and I'm going to move my flag so that it's not as easy to get to as just touch it, right? And I'm going to I'll duplicate this as well. And I'm going to make it smaller or narrower because I really kind of suck at the whole tight walking thing. And I'm going to rotate it, move it, and then I'm going to put this flag all the way over here. And one of the joys of these things, right, is 3D is always like circle around and make sure you're getting it right. It's kind of like walking the plank, right? It's not much of a gameplay, but it's at least a little bit. And so to actually win, you're going to have to go over here, jump up on this, walk around here, walk out on that small one, and get out there to actually touch it. So let's test it and see how it goes. So you have to go, jump, click, run, to get to the win, right? A little bit more fun. And I want you guys to use your imagination. Play around with the environment, test it. You could have more jumping things, see what you can do, play with, you could add more things to it. Whatever you want to do, make it your own. So if you do this bare minimum, you'll pass, but the idea here is experiment and play in and start getting used to the controllers of Unreal, because that's how you're going to enjoy it more and get working in it, is because you manipulating the environment and then manipulating the things, it's not easy and it takes time. So I will see you in the next video.